as always guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, hit that bell to be notified for future videos.
Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to the fish tank. I am Cole, and today we are continuing our Tootsie Toy series for Big Charlie with this international COE. Again, made by Tootsie Toy. And today we are going to fully restore this classic looking truck. With that said, you guys don't have to wait much longer. Let's go see what we completed. I'll see you over there. And here is our final results for the international COE for Big Charlie. Like I said guys before, this was a shorter video. If you guys saw my last video, this was going to be a much shorter video today, just for reasons of completing. This was one of those down and dirty, get done in a weekend kind of build. Let me be more real, it was down and dirty in a week kind of build because I messed the paint up, believe it or not. This is the second time that this was done, and it came out pretty cool, honestly. We changed the paint completely. I went with this cream white color. I just thought it would fit the truck better. And then we cleaned the wheels as we always do, because honestly, just because the wheels are dirty doesn't mean they're crap and junk. Honestly, they cleaned up pretty good and they look awesome. We maxed out the details as much as possible. We did our headlights, our bumper, our grill, and the International Harvester logo, which was a very tedious process. A lot of you guys probably know from seeing my video or my post on Instagram. If you guys aren't following the Instagram, it's at cudasdiecastcustoms on Instagram, so make sure, if you guys aren't following that, to go follow that. Guys, this was a fun one that we did for our good friend Big Charlie. It's one of those builds that it's been taking a while to get these done. I thought we would have more time to get these completed, but I'm glad he's very patient with us and he is willing to work with us and with our busy schedule here, and we are slowly completing these cars for him. Guys, if you guys like these type of videos, please let me know and we can continue doing these for Big Charlie. Yes, we are going to complete all the cars for him like he asked, but if you guys want to continue seeing these, please let me know down below. I do enjoy doing these Tootsie Toys. It's one of those builds that is more of a challenge than anything, because it's different and it's something I'm not used to. A lot of restoration work, and if you guys know the channel, we do a lot of restoration work, some custom work, and now we do Tootsie Toy work, which is awesome. Guys, that's all I got for you today. Thank you for stopping by the fish tank. Again, let me know if you guys want to continue seeing the progress of the Big Charlie Tootsie Toys, because this series is very fun. It's been very successful. You guys seem like you've been enjoying it, and if that's true, please let me know down below. Alright guys, if you guys have nothing else for me, I got nothing else for you. We'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.